Okay, welcome to CODJ. Now I'll explain to you about how to understanding the chicken code, cock and hen code. And look at that. If I flying it to the sky, the cock or hen will be. There is a mayday, mayday, mayday. There is an eagle. There is an eagle. There's an enemy, like that. Look at that. I will pull up and look at that. And look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I will make it fly and hear the sound of that cock. And look at that. That is the code is mayday, mayday, mayday. There is an eagle. There is an eagle. Please keep it away. Yeah, like that. Okay. If you think this video is useful, please share to others and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. And one more time. Look at that.